Hey, what's up guys, this is Harry here. So in this video, we're gonna take a look at this thing. I just bought it from Amazon, which it is a Osmo accessory. The brand is called the Smarty or Smartree or Smatree or Smarty. I'm just gonna call it Smarty. The model number is DS1. It is a tripod and something like a selfie stick or stick pole. Just gonna get my Osmo. For some of you guys, if you don't know, Osmo is a handheld gimbal camera system. In this case, this is ZMuse X3. I do have a ZMuse X5 from my Black Edition Inspire 1. I haven't opened this thing yet. Let's just take a look at what's inside. And by the way, I bought this from Amazon.ca for $60. I think right now it's about like 56.99 cents. In US dollars should be around like 40 something. I think it's pretty simple then. They just have the two thing and quick start guide and menu, something like that. Pretty sure I don't need this. All right, so this is the stick. Okay, put away. I mean, looks pretty nice actually. Let's take a look at this. Yep, this is a tripod stand and it's gonna looks like this. Pretty stiff. I mean, this thing's made of metal for sure and had some weight of it. Pretty sure it's gonna be handled fine and pretty solid actually. This is the strap. It is removable. Let's take this thing apart just for, you know, holding on your hand if you're gonna just do some like selfie shots or maybe, you know, do something like this. It's adjustable, so obviously, you know, press here. The head here, it has a singular pattern for the DJI OSMO. This is pretty much the one of the main reason that I like this and I ordered it. Match the DJI OSMO head here. Some of the third-party accessories that you're gonna see online, that I found online, actually they don't fit the Osmo that well. Like they do not have exactly the same shape of the head like this thing here. But this one does. Tighten is adjustable. I'm not sure if the head is exchangeable, if I can lose the head or not. No, I think the head here, this head here is fixed, so there's no way for me to change the head to something else. So yeah, I think it's fixed because, you know, it just won't lose. 90 degrees, and this is extendable like that. This is 1 and 2. This is the total length of this stick here. I think they said the total length is about like 40 inch, something like that. It looks like it's just about like 1 meter, which is it's enough. Like this, right? So put it in the back. Let's now gonna try the tripod stand. Just put the tripod stand here and see. And the stick pole here, it is made of metal. I think it's aluminum. It's pretty light though. I'm pretty sure it's aluminum. And the handle here is the soft rubber. You can hold it on your hand pretty tight and feels pretty good. So now if I put it this way, this is what it looks like. So I know from DJI.com, the DJI original accessories, the tripod stand like this thing and the pole, the stick here, they sell it for separately. Price wise, it is gonna be more than this. All right, let's give it a try. Okay, I guess I still have to do this first. All right, and tighten up. This is how it is. Well, it looks good. I think it works just about the right. Perfect. Yeah, it looks good. Feels tough. So if I were able to extend, tighten it up, and I can do like this here, and the shot. I think that's pretty nice thing. Quality wise feels good so far. I didn't see there's a major shape changing. It's still pretty straight. I think it is nice. Very simple thing, you know, just a tripod for your Osmo. One thing I don't like, I think I'm still going to see if I can, you know, change the head here, or if it's not, or if it is fixed, then that's the one thing I don't like. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with these products. You know, quality looks good, feels good too. Metal here, pretty tough. Actually holds pretty well. You know, I like it. And price cheaper than the DJI original accessories. If you guys are also interested in this thing, I'll put the link in the screen below so you guys can check it out on Amazon. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. Thumbs up if you like it, dislike it, just press the button there and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.